Hello everyone. Today I will explain how to use the front panel of the sending card. When switching between input signal types for a single display, you can quickly operate by pressing the corresponding signal name button on the front panel. Press the knob to enter the settings menu for input cropping. Select the signal you need, enable the cropping function, and then crop the signal source as needed. Finally, save the settings. You can also press the Part button to enable the cropping function for the current input signal. When you need to modify the input signal's size and frequency, press the knob to enter the Resolution EDID menu. Choose the corresponding signal resolution size from the common signal list, and in the last column, you can customize the settings. Click Save to apply. If you need to adjust the screen brightness, press the Bright button and then turn the knob to adjust the brightness value. By pressing the rotary button, you can enter the Output Settings menu. Select the main screen and adjust the signal's display size as needed. Then save the settings to apply the changes. Press the rotary button to enter the menu. Select the Save Preset option under Preset Parameters. Choose a name and press the knob to save the current mode. Press the ESC button to return Select Load Preset to switch between saved modes. You can also press the Mode button to light it up and then use the numeric buttons to switch presets. That concludes today's lesson. Thank you, everyone.